when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Hey, what's up GT crew? Buckle up. Today we're going to be checking out one of the cleanest hot hatches on the road. We're here at Aero Motors, Volkswagen, and we're going to be checking out the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition. So for this version of the Golf R, we're going to be having it in blue. This is a lapis blue metallic with the black roof. And to get this started, I want to talk about the front bumper with this black trim and all blacked out badges that actually illuminates when you turn on the car. It makes it look very sporty and very aggressive. In the back, we have it all blacked out, and the trim at the bottom is also black, followed by the mirror caps and a little badge that says black, so you don't forget that you have the Black Edition Golf R. And just to finish off the trim, we're going to be looking at these 19-inch rims that look spectacular. Just look at that little R.
When you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
We're going to be looking at the interior, and no, I'm not going to be sitting on this car because I don't want it to get any dirty, and this car is especially for one of you guys.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, and looking at the wheel, we're going to find that it's heated leather wrapped, and we're going to be seeing that we also have a moonroof, sunroof, whatever you guys want to call it, and we're also going to be finding some premium sports seats. And staying on the steering wheel, we're going to be finding a 10-inch driver display as well as an infotainment touchscreen. And yes, I'll be talking about the infotainment system later on in the video. Just wait, okay? Okay, hey, no, come back. No, wait.
Sit your ass down.
And Volkswagen has decided just to kill out the manual. This is going to be a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. Something that I really like is that we're keeping these premium seats in the back, and the doors, the looks look super premium, both in the front and back. They do have a very soft, nice touch.
Nice.
And we're going to be looking at the trunk. This is what defines a Golf, that it's a hatchback and it has enough room. If your wife says, no, it's not going to have enough room, why are we getting this car? Honey, trust me, this one is big.
That's what she said.
It's going to be able to hold all of our groceries and all of our stuff. Yes, and just in case if we do need a little bit of room, we're able to put down the seats.
I'm here when you need my
And under the hood, we're going to be finding a 2-liter inline-4 engine, making 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque.
I'm here.
Oh yeah, we don't care. We're still going to modify the fucking shit.
Yeah, boy.
And from this moment, we're going to be sitting down in a different car. This is also a Black Edition, but this one is already owned by one of the guys at Volkswagen. They were so nice to let me sit in their car. They just literally just purchased it a day or two, and one of the guys is going to be explaining us how this infotainment system works.
Go up sport. We're gonna go into race. Completely changes the engine, and then this is my favorite one. Give it a little bit of gas.
It changes the car completely.
Absolutely, yep.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty awesome, man.
want to talk about this one very quick. This is the first time that I'm seeing the ID bus. If you guys want to see this on a future video, leave a like and a comment, and we'll see if we can bring it to the channel. And there you guys have it. That was the new Golf R Black. This car is available at 2034 Cranbrook Street North in Cranbrook. We'll catch you in the next time, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.
Sweet